Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Hello, I'm Rachel Jones and this is Kalkine Media's Trending News. Now, the Reserve Bank of Australia's September monetary policy meetings minutes reported that inflation in Australia was at its highest level in several decades and was expected to increase further over the months ahead. Members observed that timely indicators pointed to inflation remaining high and broadly based in the September quarter. Some retailers expected to apply further large increases in their prices in coming quarters, in part reflecting the pass-through of earlier rises in input costs. By contrast, petrol prices had declined in August and were expected to subtract from headline inflation in the September quarter. The expiration of fuel excise cut would boost headline inflation in the December quarter. Consistent with the decline in petrol prices, short-term measures of inflation expectations had declined modestly. Household spending appeared to have held up in the September quarter to date. Strong labour market conditions and income growth were providing an important counterbalance for household budgets that faced increased pressure from rising prices and those higher interest rates. Declines in housing prices had broadened out to most capital cities and also regional areas, alongside weaker housing sales activity, rising interest rates and the expectation of further interest rate increases. By contrast, rental markets were tight. Vacancy rates in Sydney and Melbourne had declined from the high levels seen since the start of the year and were likely to decline further as international student numbers increased. Vacancy rates in other capital cities remained around historical lows. The outlook for business investment remained positive and the demand for labour remained robust, judging by the timely information from those job ads. The employment to population ratio and the participation rate are around record highs, and measures of spare capacity were at their lowest levels in decades. The unemployment rate had declined further to 3.4% in July. Immigration of skilled workers, students and working holidaymakers could all be anticipated to increase in the period ahead, which would add to the labour supply as well as aggregate demand. Well, that's all for now. I'm Rachel for Kalkine Media, signing off for now.